Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking at the week ahead. Again, it's a rather mixed weather story. There'll be some showers, some locally thundery bursts early in the week. Some drier days developing at times, but not completely settled. Temperatures are shade up on where we've been. The wind speeds will tend to vary a bit, breezy though at times as west or southwesterlies come in. The chart for Monday has low pressure toward the southwest, and that's gradually drifting in across Wales into central parts of England. Some rain coming on here and turning heavy and persistent. The risk of something thundery moving up into Wales as well. Light winds for all across the country. We'll see some showers break out during the day across Scotland and northern England. Very hit and miss in terms of where these develop. Where they do form, they'll drift around slowly, could give an hour or more of rain, and the risk of localised thundery bursts developing. More eastern parts of the Highlands, perhaps a bit further east as well across the Pennines, but some places will avoid these altogether. Best conditions of all typically toward the western coasts in Scotland, with some sunshine and cloud breaks toward the tops in the afternoon. Some rain across northern England overnight into Tuesday, associated with low pressure over the North Sea. That front just rotating away eastwards into the daytime. It leaves a legacy of some showers though, and those will be around into the middle of the day and the afternoon, with some heavy bursts breaking out in places, and those drifting west to east across England and Wales. Quite a fresh breeze across Wales and the southern parts of the Pennines. Lighter winds further north across Scotland and northern England. Some showers that develop here, again with slow moving, heavy and thundery in places. Lower risk of showers away toward the west coast, with some sunshine around here. An improving trend across West Wales and even more western hills in England heading onwards through the afternoon as the focus of showers goes increasingly further away eastwards. A ridge of high pressure just moves through across more southern regions into Wednesday. The risk of one or two spots of rain and local showers, but a good deal of dry and bright weather. Some fronts up toward the northwest though may just start to push into the west coast of Scotland. Some lowering cloud, patchy drizzle may just develop, and that risk gets greater later on as that frontal zone just encroaches further in. So maybe turning more damp more widely across those western mountains in Scotland. Some lowering cloud possible near the Irish Sea as well. Feeling quite pleasant and fairly warm where some sunshine does come through. There'll be some good cloud breaks toward the tops for many inland and eastern regions through the day, and the wind is fairly light. Just watch for it being a bit stronger up the west coast of Scotland. A rather tangled series of fronts then moving their way eastwards by Thursday. The risk of some rain, drizzle and low cloud across many areas, especially in more western parts. Some brighter conditions a bit further eastwards. Still fairly light winds, so it could become just a rather stagnant, dull and damp day for many. Temperatures relatively mild, feeling a little bit humid, but rather disappointing overall if we're in the cloud and the rain. Detail quite uncertain by the end of the week. We're watching developments of low pressure still over the Atlantic, which could well bring strengthening winds and the risk of some rain into western Scotland before too long, but a ridge of high pressure at least tries to expand its way in for a time across many places, so some dry weather around, but still just watch for things going downhill again as we head toward the weekend. Not a completely settled story, I'm afraid, at this stage. All your local details for 3 days ahead as always on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.